Hi, my name is Paul Rinkins, owner of Drip Dry Drainage in Charlotte, North Carolina. I am happy to announce that I am partnering with Apple Drains, and we will be installing all parts of the rainwater systems in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we're going to do a little drain cleaning. You can see there's a catch basin here. We've got a garden hose stuck into the pipe. You can see all the water down here. Got a helper out here. But when you come up on a drain that's backing up and you know that there's downspout drains attached, if we look down in here, we can see water in this downspout. And if we look down here, we see another downspout, but there is no water in this one. I've already looked. So the stoppage is going to be somewhere between here and here from that back catch basin. So, using our powerful drain cleaning machine, this is a Spartan 1065. It's got a 3/4 inch spring wound cable. This is stainless steel. We're going to send this down this downspout drain. Some people call it a French drain, but it's really a downspout drain. Always wear leather palm gloves. Starting to hit something. Okay, so debris down the line, mostly asphalt shingle. It's roofing material that comes off of your roof. You can see that brand new roof up there. All that shingle material comes down those downspouts, and of course it clogs this thing up pretty quick. But wide open now. You can see a good flow of water going through here. Nice. So let's go ahead and pack it up here. So here's the end, the discharge from that catch basin in the backyard, and you can see what came out of the line. This is leaves from the roof, and they're getting down into that system, and it's like grease. Cable goes through it, goes right through it, but as soon as you pull the cable back, it just closes back up. So we had to run that line several times in order to get that thing to drain. But hey, if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. So basically that line comes through this wooded area. That's not the problem. Tree roots, not the problem. People get confused about ADS, the corrugated, thinking tree roots get in there. It's the same as PVC. They get in through couplings, but that's not the problem. The problem is the debris that drops onto that roof, and that it all drains down into your system, and you get enough of it in there, and of course it's going to back up. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 downspouts plus the catch basin coming into the system, and again tons and tons of debris dropping down the system. Working really good now. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.